see officials taking precautionary measures in case of an outbreak.
Kicking on, Orange County reporter Stacy Butler is live in Costa Mesa right now with more details. Stacy.
Jeff and Susie, this is really about county leaders just trying to get ahead of this before there's a massive outbreak, or just in case those who are being housed up in Northern California who were exposed to the virus and could possibly still be coming here to Fairview Developmental Center to get ready just in case. A state of emergency. That's what the Orange County Board of Supervisors declared Wednesday afternoon to prepare for a possible spread of the coronavirus.
With 3.2 million residents in a relatively small geographic area, risk of infection spreading are high.
There has only been one confirmed case of the virus in the OC, and that person has recovered. But the state of emergency allows the county and healthcare workers to prepare for more cases.
I think a good example is requesting mutual aid. If we exhaust our local resources, the local public health emergency creates a mechanism for us to ask for mutual aid from surrounding counties and/or state or federal partners.
The announcement in the second largest county follows on the heels of the state's largest county, San Francisco. They declared a state of emergency in response to the coronavirus yesterday. The declaration comes days after a federal judge granted a restraining order against state and federal agencies that wanted to transport dozens exposed to the virus from Travis Air Force Base in Northern California to the shuttered Fairview Developmental Center in Costa Mesa. It's Senator John Moorlach's district. In a letter to Governor Gavin Newsom, the senator questioned why Fairview was picked over thousands of other state sites. He wrote, according to the statewide property inventory, the state of California owns or leases 37,279 properties throughout the state. Of these properties, how many have at least 10 individual bedrooms and attached bathrooms? Meanwhile, Orange County residents are rethinking their travel plans to coronavirus-stricken countries like Korea.
This is really affecting us heavily.
Now, Senator Moorlach says that he has not heard back from Governor Newsom. Also, the city of Costa Mesa, they had a long list of questions. They've already submitted those. This whole thing goes to a federal judge again on Monday to decide if those coronavirus exposed people up in Northern California could end up coming here after all. That's the very latest from Costa Mesa. Back to you guys in the studio.